Finished creating a design in Canva and ready to save it. Whether you've made a social media post, presentation, flyer, or video, Canva offers several download options to fit your needs. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to download Canva designs in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and open the design you want to download. Before exporting, take a quick look through your project to make sure everything is finalized. Next, locate the Share button near the top right corner of the Canva editor. This is where you'll find download and export options. Click Share, then choose Download from the menu. Canva will display the available file formats for your design. Now select the format that works best for your project. PNG is great for high-quality images, JPG creates smaller file sizes, PDF works well for documents, and MP4 is commonly used for videos. If available, choose additional settings such as image quality, page selection, transparent background, or compression options. These settings can affect the final file size and quality. Once your settings are ready, click Download and wait for Canva to process the file. The completed design will then be saved to your device, and that's how to download Canva designs. Whether you're exporting images, documents, presentations, or videos, Canva makes the process quick and easy. So yeah, choose the format that fits your project, and you're ready to share your work with the world. Thanks for watching.